My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2018 Ford Fiesta ST3. This vehicle was done just under 54,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. On the steering wheel we have features such as cruise control and voice control. We also have a keyless ignition. On the touchscreen we can access our Bluetooth, navigation, mobile apps, emergency assistance, Apple CarPlay, valet mode and ambient lighting. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below the screen we have our AC, as well as heated seats on either side. If we press this button here, we can access our 3 different driving modes. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of the seats come with a black leather trim. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.